In this video, I'll show you how to fix widescreen resolution and full screen issues in GTA San Andreas for modern PCs. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the download option and select the start download option and it will start downloading. And check my video description for the second mod. Select the download option and it will start downloading. Once both mod download done, right click on the widescreen fix, select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close tab here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing any mod, backup your game folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open this widescreen fix, drag and drop these files inside, replace the file in the destination, and then go back, open this gtasa.exe and open the folder, and drop this exe file inside. Right click and select show more options, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. If the mod updater asks you for any update, select the update option and once the update done, restart the game to apply changes. Once you are in game, go to options, go to display setup, go to advanced and change the settings as you like. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.